Appearance Introduction. This is Feiyu SCORP-C, built with pen axis, tilt axis, roll axis, kickstand, slide arm, cross arm, vertical arm, roll axis lock, power button, motor auto-tune button, A/B button, pen axis lock, trigger button, charge port, portrait button, FPV button, slider lock, quick release plate safety lock, multifunction knob, knob function switching button, power indicator, camera, Bluetooth indicator, follow status indicator, auto rotation button, mode button, joystick, shooting button, extension ports, lens holder. Thanks for watching.